Welcome back, guys. Today we're working on this 2006 Chevy again. I found some tires for it off of Marketplace, so we're on our way to go pick them up now. Kind of in a rush, so I'm going to set the tripod up, go ahead and pull these tires off and get them loaded up, and head that way. Okay, guys, as you saw, we loaded these up. I just want to show you this. These have plenty of tread on them. Like, all of these look great, right? But up until you start looking at the sidewall, and all of these is just absolutely trashed. Like, this wouldn't even hold air. Like, I'm inside the tire rail. So I'm gonna go ahead and strap these down. Okay, guys, I got them loaded up. Let's go ahead and get in the truck. All right, guys, we got the money. So now let's go ahead and head to the guy's house, get the tires picked up, get them out and balanced, and let's head back home. All right, guys, as you can tell, we have the new tiles here. We have the old tiles over there. I got to find something to do with those, but they wanted too much to keep them. So I just said I'll take them home. These tiles, I'll get just switched around here. Like I was saying, these tiles, two of them are basically brand new. Like, this one is brand new. This one was probably on the back of something. This one was on the front. And this one's probably on the back of something. But they sold me the tiles, mount and balance them. Keep in mind that these are used, which this is going to be for sale eventually. So you kind of save money where you can here. And those were just unsafe to use. So out the door, it was $300 for 4 tiles, mounted balanced, out the door. That's a pretty good deal. I couldn't have bought that online. I scoured Facebook Marketplace for a couple of days, and I think this is a pretty good deal. I'm not going to put them back on the truck yet because I got to bleed the brakes here in a couple of days. And I'm sure we'll make a video on that. I might roll one over there to see what it looks like. It should look pretty much the same, they're the exact same size. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's roll one over and see what it looks like pushed up against it. All right, guys, that's what the new tile is on. It looks pretty much the same as the old ones because they're the same size. It's a different tread pattern. Those are some like Kelly Safari something. These are BF Goodrich, the KO2s, which I'm not a super big fan of, but again, I'm not keeping the truck. So, and a lot of people around me like them. Also, when I bought this, that's also what I had on it. Has those KO2s on it. And the other blazer I had that I bought with this one also had KO2s on it. So I guess around here a lot of people like them. So it must be a pretty decent tile. On the back it does look pretty good. I will give it that. I mean it does look pretty good up there. Uh, but this is the first time I've seen it. Well, let's zoom out a little bit. Well, it's not on flat tiles. So that's always been bulged out a little bit, and this has just always been flat. So that does help inspire us to keep on going because it is progress. But let's flip the camera back around and we'll do the closing out. So guys, that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for coming along with me to go get these tiles. And here in a couple days, we'll try to bleed these brakes and see how that goes. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you later.